We asked people in Fort Collins a simple question: how's our air?
What do you think about the air quality here in northern Colorado? Do you think it's good or bad?
I think it's great.
I think it's great too.
I feel like I can breathe really great.
I mean, I think it's fine.
I think we're about so-so.
Coming from California, I think Larimer County has awesome air quality.
The truth isn't so simple.
So what if I told you that on high ozone days, we're the 15th worst metro in the country?
The 15th worst? That really surprises me. It makes me sad. I feel like I'm kind of surprised by that, actually.
Yeah, definitely surprised.
In northern Colorado, we are faced with significant air quality challenges, especially during the summer months.
Northern Colorado, Larimer County is part of a 9-county region that's in non-compliance with federal ozone ambient requirements.
There's national ambient air quality standards for different pollutants, and ozone is one where the levels of ozone in Colorado during the ozone season, which runs mostly during the summer, has elevated above national ambient air quality standards.
The data on ground level ozone comes from a network of monitoring stations. In northern Colorado, we have a couple of those, and we're fortunate enough to be adding a few more in the next year or so.
This station is helping us to better understand ozone formation and ozone concentrations. And by having a local data set, it really makes it cool when you're looking at a data set that was collected right in your backyard.
Ground level ozone is different than the ozone that's high in the atmosphere that helps block UV rays. Ground level ozone forms with volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides in the presence of sunlight, and it can cause some health impacts.
So what we're looking at here in Colorado is a mixture of ever-expanding population, increasing the amount of NO2, as well as industry adding to that mix.
During the hottest days of the year, many of our daily activities contribute to the formation of ground-level ozone. When you fill your gas tank during the heat of the day, it releases volatile organic compounds, a key component to the formation of ground-level ozone. This camera shows these compounds being released in real time while people fill up their cars on an 85-degree day.
Oh, I see it! Oh my goodness! Coming out of this. Oh, look at that!
When temps hit the 90s, it's even worse.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. My God. Almost like you can reach out and touch it and you can feel it for your lungs.
And it's not just filling your car that releases these molecules. Filling your lawnmower or weed whacker can be just as bad, if not worse.
Oh, you can definitely see it. Okay.
Oh, holy moly. Yeah, looks pretty wild.
Even mowing your yard during the heat of the day will contribute to ground-level ozone in our community.
I'm very surprised at how much it was apparent that all of those fumes were coming out.
So what can we do differently?
There are a lot of programs that are out there to help promote switching to electric lawn and garden equipment. We partner with the Regional Air Quality Council, and they've got some programs for commercial operators to swap out equipment. There's also a new statewide tax incentive that discounts right at the point of purchase, 30% off the purchase price.
When it is a high heat day in the summer, a couple things. Don't fill up your gas tank during high heat. Mowing or weeding your yard with a combustible lawnmower during high heat days, do it afterwards, or if you can, go to battery electric power. Carpool, reduce the amount of vehicle footprint out there that's releasing these VOCs. If we work together like we always do, we can reduce ground level ozone, get back in attainment, and make sure that our air is clean for future generations.
To learn more and see up-to-date information about air quality in northern Colorado, visit larimer.gov/health.
I will now fill up my car in morning or night.